Hello and welcome to another episode of Productivity Mastery. My name is Carl Pulleine, and in this week's episode I want to talk to you a little bit about why focusing on your system is way more important than focusing on the app. Now, before we get started, I want you to learn a key phrase here. Never fit your system around an app, fit your apps around your system. Now, this is a key factor to remember when you're building your very own productivity system. The app is less important than the system you have in place. Now, this is one of the reasons why I always recommend that when you start building your very own productivity system, you begin by starting on paper. Paper is where it's going to start because that will teach you the basics of collecting, organizing, and doing. Now, if you're doing it right and if your system is working for you, you will have a ratio of 90% of doing every day and just 10% organizing every day. Now, if you translate that into terms of time, that means 7 hours, 40 minutes every single day is spent doing work. Just 20 minutes every day is spent organizing all the stuff that you collected during the day. Now, if you look at this on a scientific basis of productivity, which is about input versus output, that means the input's coming in, you're doing the quick organizing, bang, 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 and you spend most of your time doing the work, the output. Now, the problem comes about when you start being attracted to those new, shiny, latest new applications, fully featured with loads of features, lots of different settings that you can change around. What happens then is you've got all the stuff going in, and instead of just being nicely filtered and then sent out, it's going here, there, down there, down there, down there, up there, up there. It's going round and round and round. So you end up spending way too much time in the organizing part of your productivity system. And when that happens, your system gets broken. And it's usually because you're trying to fit a system around an app. And that isn't the way to do it. You need to fit your apps around your system. And if you cannot get the app to fit around a system that works for you, then don't play around with the app. Just delete the app and look for a better one. And that's really the key here. Now, the thing is, and this is a big mistake that a lot of people make, once you've found the perfect app, no matter how boring the app is, if it's working for you, and you're only spending 10% of your time doing the organization and 90% of the time you're doing the work, don't switch the app. You've got an app that works for you. Now, for me, the only excuse for switching an app is if the app changes so dramatically in an update that it just becomes unworkable for me, I will change. Or likewise, recently with the email app I was using, Newton Mail, it got discontinued. Obviously, I have to change. But fortunately for me, in my email system, I have a perfectly set up system, and it wasn't difficult to switch to another app. So that's where you want to be focused on the system, not the app. If you build a system around an app and the app disappears or gets a dramatic update, that means that your whole system falls apart. You're going to waste an awful lot of time, and that time cost is very, very expensive. So what you need to be doing is focusing in on your system, get your system absolutely right, and then make sure that the apps that you're using works as perfectly as possible with your system. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this week's episode of Productivity Mastery. It just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw and you would like to learn more about becoming better organized and more productive, then get yourself enrolled in my free beginner's guide to creating your own COD system. And if you'd like to learn more about how I can help you, then visit my website at carlpulleine.com. All the details are in the show notes below.